My name is Sandeep Pandey. I have joined Haldirams as Senior Regional Manager, and today is the first day of this property in Hyderabad and Sajana Nexus Mall. What's so special is that we already have one smaller format of the same concept on the third floor of the food court. But since we were not able to fulfill all the guest requirements, we have to open a larger format where we are able to serve all our dishes. Quite a few dishes are not available in our other format, which we have to bring it to the customer based on their demands. So we have tried to fulfill all the demands of the people of Hyderabad, of this region, and we hope that we get a good response from them. Recipe, there are two specialities. Number one is that the recipes and ingredients, we are very much selective about the ingredients and the raw materials, and the recipes are frozen after we finalize a recipe. We don't change the recipe until it is based on local requirement. But otherwise the recipe and the raw material standards are maintained at Haldirams. That is one of the main reasons why people love our food, because the chole bhature that you eat in Hyderabad, you will find the taste similar in Pune also, similar in Nagpur also. So you can relate to the taste very easily, and even with your eyes shut you can relate and tell that this food is from Haldiram. So that's what we maintain. Thank you so much.